Hey, good evening and welcome to Healthy by Heath. I have a few holiday or Christmas tips for you. First is when you're drinking that glass of wine. A lot of people aren't connoisseurs. Everybody thinks everybody is a connoisseur. Just not true. Great wine is great wine. However, you don't have to always buy the expensive bottle of wine. You can get the $2 chuck or the large bottles at whatever warehouse you go to, or even a grocery store. Doesn't matter. What you can do though does matter. And what you can do is you can make it a little bit more festive. There's jalapeno in this. I'm going to put a little bit of ice in it just to cool it down and make it a nice cold drink. But here's the kicker. It's December, right after Thanksgiving. We're getting ready for Christmas, making some Christmas meals. So why not throw in some of those cranberries that I made the other day? Now you got yourself a truly festive glass of wine. Cheers.